Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make omelette the Haitian way. We are gonna add tomatoes, onions, ham, some butter, and squeeze some lime juice on the eggs. It's very important to do that because it helps to get rid of any like sautilles. Alright. And then what I like to do, I like to add a little bit of water in the pot to cook the tomatoes just for a few minutes. And the tomatoes, I put some salt and pepper in them. And it's gonna make the tomato like well cooked. I wouldn't say well, yes, basically well cooked. Because if you just fry the tomato, it doesn't come out right for some reason. And my daughter's mixing the eggs. And the tomatoes are cooked. And I'm gonna add the butter. I like to add a little bit of oil. Now I'm gonna add the onions. And leave the onions for about 1 or 2 minutes before I add the eggs.
Don't add the eggs!
Now I mix everything, and what I like to do is put it in the middle and then put the eggs around it. And as the egg is cooking, I can spread everything around it. And you can also add, you can always add ham or hot dogs. Most Haitian put hot dogs. Alright, so now we can spread the ham and tomato. Now the tomato is like jelly, so it's so much better when you start by boiling it instead of just frying it. Now this is the final stage of the video on how to make omelette the Haitian way. It smells so delicious, and I put jerk ham, so if you didn't have jerk ham, I would put a little bit of pepper because I like it to have a little bit of heat. So this is just yummy. This is a breakfast for a king. Today's my husband's birthday.